Meaning of distaste.
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 Distaste. Distaste refers to a feeling of intense dislike or aversion towards something. It is often associated with a sense of revulsion or disgust, and may arise from factors such as taste, smell, or appearance. People may experience distaste towards certain foods, habits, ideologies, or individuals, and this can result in avoidance or rejection of the object of distaste. This emotion can be triggered by personal experiences, cultural norms, or societal values. Overall, distaste is a powerful emotion that can guide our behavior and help us navigate our social and physical environments.